Team Lady or Team Gent?
Team Lady.
Team Lady.
Team Lady.
Oh man, you already know. Gent.
Team Lady.
Team Lady.
Gent.
Lady.
Team Gent.
It's a lady.
Lady.
Gent.
Gent.
I want to say Team Lady.
Team Lady.
Lady.
Lady. You gotta say lady.
Lady.
Okay, you guys, come on, gather around. The big moment is finally here.
Before we begin, we have something, a special presentation. Karis's brother, Josiah, we call him JoJo, is an artist, and he wanted to give Karis something special for this. So here we go.
Oh my God, that's awesome! God is so faithful and so good, and we're so excited to have a little boy. Karis has a boy. Jacob gets a son. God just gave him a son. Maybe because he gave his son.
Oh my goodness, there's a moose right in the yard.
He's here for the gender reveal.